Very nice, Anna.
And then I put the grass here.
Oh, you want to put the grass?
I put the grass here.
Or this one you want more to put the roof here?
Yeah.
Yeah? What color you want? Purple one. Wow, amazing. Wow. Then what do you want more? You want to put the grass. What color of the grass then?
Green.
Oh. Wow, you put that one. That is the door. The door or the glass? The grass.
The grass and the door is here.
Yes. So nice.
And what about here?
Okay, whatever you want. You do whatever you want.
We can put that here.
So cute. So cute, Bum Bum. Is it castle? Whose castle is it?
Boys and the girls. All the family here.
Oh, wow.
Jenny,
Look at
ask ma'am also. Then but ma'am going 11 outside, come then with Veera.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, then 2 hours. Jenny, now I'm going.
my ball.
It will fall. Are you okay? I love the colors, baby. Your color combination. Oh, there's some blue at the back. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Okay, we will fix it. Don't worry. You can fix it.